Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to dropship from AliExpress to Shopify. So if you want to dropship on Ali to Shopify, here is a quick guide or a simple step you can follow to get this done. So the first thing you have to do is sign up for a Shopify account and set up your online store. After that, install a dropshipping app like saas, Bello or AutoDX from the Shopify App Store. Then after that, you have to connect the Shopify tools to AliExpress. So to be able to connect, link your Shopify, link your drop shipping tools to your AliExpress account to import your product. After that, browse AliExpress for products you want to sell and import them using your dropshipping tools. And after that, edit the product details such as the title, the description, the image to match your store's branding. And after that, once you're happy with the listing, publish them on your Shopify store. And after that, promote your store and promote products through your social media. I can also place them on hacks, and also you can also place them on other marketing channel, and that's how you can dropship from AliExpress to Shopify.